God, on a day that's good weather, everyone with a boat is in town. Holy moly. And I was going to do this myself, but to speed up everything, I'm going to get the family to help out. Hopefully we're getting in the water soon.
Do I need to take seasick medicine?
No, it's very calm. This is Wanderlust, over. Registration is Tango Delta. Thank you, over.
Raby Bay, standing by.
I want to get closer to drop some crab pot. I want to get to about 4 meters, okay? So what we're going to do...
To the left. Got it. That's the most fishing we've done.
Really?
What do you expect?
Well, that's not good.
I don't even like crab. Why is that eye looking at me like that? Why can't you just eat this fish? Oh, we got a crab! 2 crabs! They're so fun. Where is it? Put your feet up.
Put your feet up, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh my god, is it on me?
Is it on? Is there a measuring tape on either side
here.
of... Oh, yep, that's good.
Oh my god.
I have 2 crabs for tonight after so many
I
tries.
don't feel like eating it anymore.
Well, that's how crabs are caught.
I smell like an Asian fish market.
Anyway, if you like the video, hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. You're going to more of this content on the boat around Moreton Bay. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you underwater. Bye.
Whoa, what was that?
Oh my god.
What was that? We did something. Oh, the motor's thing. We're going the wrong way.
No, he's pulling me.
I think so.
Wow, that was quite something. Quite hectic. We're only like 2 meters away from the channel and we got stranded, and then someone else helped us come out. So that was fun. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or 13 or 14 boats waiting out there. It's gonna be a while before the car comes in. All fun and games at Raby Bay.